If your online income through KDP or other streams feels slow, try this. You're already making digital products, but these are faster, easier, and you can sell them without paying for any fancy tools. Stay with me and I'll show you the top digital products selling right now, how to make them in minutes, and where to sell them without paying for ads or even showing your face. By the end of this video, you'll know the full path from creation to your first sale. Let me show you what's actually selling today. You can create these digital products in minutes, not hours or days. And you can customize one to create multiple products for different niches or topics. Here's a list of the best-selling digital products today. Number 1 is planners and organizers. Number 2 is social media templates and AI prompts, like Instagram posts, stories, carousels, and reels, which make it easy to create aesthetic posts quickly and consistently without being designers. Number 3 is checklists and guides, which are useful information products for learning skills. Number 4 is lead magnets or freebies to build email lists and luring buyers. Number 5 is workbooks and trackers for online courses and habit tracking. Now let's define the step-by-step process from creation to your first sale. First, find your niche. If you're selling to everyone, you're selling to no one. Ask yourself these questions. What problems have I overcome? What could I talk about forever? What is something I find easy to do that others don't? Who would benefit from this skill I have or lesson I learned? What ultra-specific problem could I solve for others? These questions will give you your answer, and you can use these questions with ChatGPT to help you brainstorm. Just make sure it is something you enjoy, and you don't need to be an expert. You just have to be one step ahead of your dream client. Usually your dream client is a past version of yourself. To learn more on how to define your niche, I created a video in my digital income kit, and I include several guides on how to find your dream profitable niche that solves one powerful pain point. The more painful the problem is for your target customer, the more it pays. Next, let's create the digital product. Now let me prove how fast you can do this. I'm going to create it in Canva, and using Canva is completely free. Plus, you don't need to be a designer nor an expert in using Canva either. Keep watching. I am going to show you here on screen. I'm grabbing a planner template from my digital income kit. You can check that out in the description if you want access to these templates. It opened as a copy, and I can make any changes here. Right now it's very girly, so I'm going to make it more masculine. You go to Elements, Photos. I used this one recently, so I'm just going to grab it. This font is also really girly, so I'm going to change it. Just click over here. I select this one, and notice how it said change all. This means this font will change everywhere that it's used. I'm going to change the color of this one. So I'll be using this brown, change all. Now I'm going to change the pink tabs. So I select pink, choose the same color, change all. Then I just need to go in and make sure that those colors did change inside. It didn't on this part, so I'm going to change it there. And then just go through the pages to make sure that all the changes are made correctly. Select the color, change all, and there we go. It seems now it's correct everywhere. And yes, the whole planner now looks more masculine. That's it. It was super easy and fast. This is the power of having done-for-you templates. You're not starting from scratch. You don't have to be a designer. You're customizing in minutes and creating fast. These are done-for-you PLR and MRR digital templates, which you can use or resell once customized. You can use most as is with just a few tweaks, completely rebrand them for any niche, or use the design and change all the content to any topic if you wish. Now let me show you how to create a lead magnet. These are freebies you give away to build your email list. Lead magnets are how you grow an audience that actually buys from you. You give value for free, capture their email, and then market your paid products to them. I'm grabbing a freebie template from the Digital Income Kit, and we're going to edit it with Canva. This is actually a lead magnet I'm using. You can use it for any niche. I asked ChatGPT to give me a checklist for a different niche. I have chosen this one, newborn hospital bag checklist. So I asked ChatGPT to create it. You can edit the text here. I changed the title. You can reduce the font to right size using this, or you can just drag this here. You can change the color and then you change all. I need a different image. So I'm going to Elements, Photos, Vertical, Free, Baby Background. And I like this one. I just drag it. If you want it to show better, you just handle the transparency. You can also change this color. There we go. I changed the text down here. This lead magnet or freebie has a content section. Change the color. It's telling me which are the photo colors. I really like this one. I can change the color of this text. This is what it looks like after I changed some colors and some content. I'm going to get rid of this last part. I'm going to change this image too. I drag this one and I put it here to change the transparency. I don't want this page, so I just click on the dots and delete. I'm going to change the background for this one too. You can choose from here. That's good. This line too, I can change the color. I'll come back to this one in a moment. And here's the checklist. Essentials. And I forgot to say change all for this one. Choose that color. And this time I will say change all. There we go. Next page. Nice to have. I don't need that one, so I'm going to delete it. Same with this one. I'm going to delete it. And I like the notes page. And I don't need this one, so I'm going to delete it. I'm going to change the name of this document. Select and copy this text, so we get one that's the same length. And I pasted it to ChatGPT and asked it to create an introduction for this checklist that has the same length. I'm going to copy it, select and paste. And then you can just fine tune and it's ready. I'm going to copy the essentials, paste them here. And it did a caps because this is activated, I think. Yes, there we go. You can increase the size of the font if you want. Now I'm going to grab the other checklist. Since I already determined the font here, I'm going to copy it. I'm going to take this one away and paste this one. Go back to ChatGPT, grab the other checklist, paste it here, fine tune, and it's ready. So now just check that everything is correct. It all looks really good. And then you can share it. Choose download, PDF standard, download. And that's that. Boom. Now I have a freebie for my audience that builds my list and leads to sales. See how easy that was? Okay, so you've created your digital product in minutes. How do you sell it? And how do you do it without spending money on ads? I'm going to give you 4 powerful options to launch your digital products business without breaking the bank. Option number 1, if you want to sell digital products completely for free, you can use a platform called Systeme IO. You don't need to pay a single cent, not even a dime, not even provide your credit card info. It allows you to build sales pages, also called sales funnels. And I actually have a done-for-you funnel in the digital income kit that installs in one click, and you can customize it in minutes. I include a full step-by-step video on how to do this in here, and you can also view their free tutorials with the link in the description. Systeme IO also allows you to collect payments without charging a commission and send as many emails as you want every single day until you reach 2,000 subscribers on your list. After that, it's only $17 per month, which is what I am paying. Forget Kajabi, forget SoundCard, forget StanStore, and every other expensive platform. You have it all in Systeme IO. I placed the link in the description if you want to check out Systeme for free. Systeme is best for promoting one or a few digital products at a time, which is what many like Maria Wendt, which I love, recommend for success. One niche, one product, one funnel, 1 year. That is her path to making $1 million. Also, focusing on one product or 3 tops will help you launch really fast because it means you can create them all in a few hours or less. Option 2 would be Shopify. You can also launch a full online store with as many digital products as you want using Shopify. They have an AI store builder that will get your store up and running in minutes. And with my link below, you get 3 months for only $1. This is perfect for testing, scaling, and getting profit before paying full price, which, by the way, is also very affordable. And if you want to learn how to take the most advantage of Shopify, I also include a full guide and video tutorials in my digital income kit. Want something even cheaper than Shopify? Option number 3 is Hostinger. You can build a store in minutes using Hostinger. It is very affordable at only $2 to $3 per month, and they currently have a massive sale. Check it out using my link in the description. And finally, option 4 is Etsy. You can create your digital products on Canva and market them on Etsy, which is an established marketplace. There, you have the advantage of already having millions of people looking for products to buy. You won't need to drive traffic to your products. You just need to create good listings. And I provide all the templates to set up your listings fast. I must say though, it is not my favorite option because there's a lot of competition. But if you do things right and don't want to create a social media audience to market your products, it's your best bet. So all sounds great so far, but how do you get people to buy if you don't want to sell your products on Etsy or other marketplace? How do you get traffic to your funnel or your store without spending money on ads? I am going to show you how you can do this easily without showing your face. You can do so by building an online presence, and it can be completely faceless. And you don't need years or a large audience to get sales. The fastest and proven way to sell products online is through Instagram and TikTok, and place in the link to your funnel or story in your bio. It only takes a few minutes to create short-form content for those two platforms, and you can use the same post for both. You can build a massive audience in only 30 days and start selling in less than 2 weeks, as long as you post consistently. No idea what to post? I've got you. In my digital income kit, I include reels, stories, carousels, and square posts that are done for you. Just edit them quick in Canva, add a caption, and you're done. No time to post? Upload it to Metrical, where you can schedule and post to both platforms in one go. I use Metrical for free. I place a link to it in the description. You can create 30 days of content in one day and schedule it. Need to interact with your potential buyers but don't have the time? No worries. ManyChat will do it for you, completely automated, and it will send them the link. Don't know how to set up an automation? No worries. I have several done for you ManyChat automations. Get started for free with the link in the description. It doesn't take much to become good at posting on Instagram. If you want to learn, I also have this optional Instagram Masterclass bundle for you here when you check out for the digital income kit, so you can learn to strategically post and get sales. You can also get sales through YouTube, but it takes a little bit more time to build an audience, and creating long-form videos is more time consuming. And yes, you can do all of this completely faceless. Okay, so let's recap the path from creation of your digital product to your first sale. Number 1, choose your niche. Number 2, create your digital product for free in minutes using Canva templates. Number 3, set up your free Systeme IO funnel to sell or build a store on Shopify or Hostinger. Number 4, market your product organically on social media with or without showing your face to drive traffic to your funnel or store. Number 5, upload your digital products to Etsy or an established marketplace if you don't want a social media presence or don't have a following. And number 6, make sales while you sleep. That's it. That's the system. With the digital income kit, you can get a huge head start. I created this kit to help you launch your digital product business fast for any niche. And with the free and affordable tools I'm recommending, you can get started today without breaking the bank. Now, if you're thinking, Gabrielle, I want those templates, the funnel, the marketing content inside the digital income kit, you get everything I just showed you and more. I hope you enjoyed this sneak peek. I'm running a Black Friday deal right now using my code in the description, where you get a limited time 65% off for the month of November. on both the one-time payment option and on the membership. If you have any questions, please comment below. And remember, quality is king. If you offer poor designs, low aesthetic, or low quality products with superficial information, you won't get repeat customers at all. I love you, I believe in you, and I'm super excited to see you succeed. If you found this information useful and would like more on how to earn money online passively so that you can have more time to enjoy your family, please like and subscribe. And don't forget to watch the next video.